Welcome, gardeners. Are you tired of struggling to start your seeds or want a foolproof method to grow healthy seedlings? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to start your seedlings perfectly every time. Whether you're growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, these tips will set you up for gardening success. Let's dig in. Choosing the right seeds is the foundation of success. Look for seeds suited to your growing zone and season. Check the packet for information on germination time, planting depth, and sunlight requirements. If you're unsure, search for a planting calendar tailored to your region. Here's your must-have list for starting seeds indoors or outdoors: seed trays, pots, or biodegradable containers. High-quality seed starting mix, not garden soil, it's too heavy. A spray bottle for watering, a grow light or access to a sunny window. Plant markers or labels to identify your seedlings. Seedlings need light, fluffy soil to thrive. Use a seed starting mix and moisten it until it feels like a damp sponge. Fill your trays or pots, pressing lightly to eliminate air pockets without compacting the soil. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for planting depth. A general rule: plant seeds twice as deep as their size. For tiny seeds, just press them gently into the soil surface. Don't forget to label. It's easy to mix up different plants. Use plant markers or popsicle sticks to keep track of your seedlings. Keep the soil evenly moist by misting it lightly. Cover your tray with a clear dome or plastic wrap to create a greenhouse effect. Vent it daily to prevent mold. Place your tray in a warm spot, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a grow light set 2 to 4 inches above the plants or a sunny window to give them enough light for strong growth. Once your seedlings sprout, remove the cover. Keep the soil damp, not soggy, and thin weaker seedlings so the strong ones have room to grow. You can use a fan to strengthen their stems. When seedlings have 2 sets of true leaves, they're ready to move into larger pots or your garden. Handle them gently by the leaves, not the stems, to avoid damage. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll grow perfect seedlings every time and be on your way to a lush, productive garden. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite plant to grow? Thanks for watching and happy planting.